Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Midaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issues with the Windows update and appears to keep reinstalling the same update over and over again. So this mostly happens when your Windows system is not able to install the updates correctly or the updates are partially installed. In such a case, the OS finds the updates as missing and those continues to reinstall them. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang itap dito yung Troubleshoot settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then next step, dito lang sa Troubleshoots, and then under dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters, click mo lang yan. And then dito sa other troubleshooters, ang next step ay under dito sa most frequent, i-select mo lang dito yung Windows update. And then dito sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click tong run. So click lang natin yan. And then wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na troubleshooting has completed. So ang next step natin gagawin, so close lang natin tong troubleshooters. And then dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then dito lang sa search for apps. So kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process or take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And then next step natin gagawin. So close lang natin tong CMD and then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang ito. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows keeps installing the same update. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.